Okay, today we want to talk about how to add your own music to Instagram stories.
I'm doing power moves. We're doing power.
So let's talk about how to add your music to Instagram stories. And I'm not talking about to share your music via the link from Spotify to the IG stories. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about having your own music on the IG, on the Instagram music catalog. You can choose it to promote your music. You can choose it to promote a merchandise show, some event, or whatever you want to use it for. But it's very interesting to use for your marketing. At least 400 million people, users create and view Instagram stories. So therefore it's very important to use this as well for your own marketing. First, you need a distributor. So every time you distribute your music to different platforms to sell your music, and you have an additional option to do the Facebook monetization. Because Instagram is owned by Facebook, you just have to make it available through the Facebook monetization from TuneCore, CD Baby, or whatever you use. So TuneCore is doing it, CD Baby is doing it, so you have to choose which distributor you use for this option. Then you have to give it some time. Facebook adds new music as fast as they can, but it's possible that some of your songs are already on the catalog and some are not. Give it some time and then you will find your music on the Instagram catalog. You can shoot the video and add the music sticker after it, or you can make it the other way around. Add the music sticker first and then shoot the video to it, or you can just make a photo and use text and GIFs and that kind of stuff. And the second is setting it up on IG. Tap on the face or sticker icon, then tap music, and then search for your artist name. Scroll down and search the song area you want to use for your own video, and then yeah, there you have it. It's on your video. Just tap on music and you change the opacity, so just how you want it. And that's it. That's how you add your own music on IG. If you like this video, then click like. If you want to see more, then subscribe. You know how to do it every week. Now I'm trying to do it every Tuesday. And if you want to know what equipment to use for your own recording studio or your home studio or whatever, you can check the links below. I have all the things listed up, and yeah, so check it and you're good to go. Stay tuned. I'm gonna make new videos and upload it on Tuesdays, so subscribe for more information. Also, if you want to see more about me and my life, just hit my Instagram. It's Jaxx Music. Follow me there. I'll follow you too. So keep it up. I almost forgot, there is a TuneCore link down below that gives you 20% off. So if you decide to use TuneCore for this option, and yeah, just click the link below and you'll get 20% off for your next distribution, for your next single, album, whatever you want to use. Peace out.
Dragons, oh yeah.